Hey everyone, in this video I'm giving you a quick review of the Maestro driver app, an automation tool designed specifically for rideshare and delivery drivers. Let's jump right in. What is Maestro? Maestro is a driver assistant app that helps you manage multiple gig platforms like Uber, Lyft, Grubhub and more without touching your phone. It automates app switching, filters out unprofitable trips and accepts only the rides you want, all while helping you stay safe and focused on driving. Driver experience and pay. Maestro doesn't pay you directly, but it helps you earn more by keeping you active on multiple platforms, reducing downtime and avoiding low-paying rides. Many drivers report big increases in earnings. Some even tripled their income by optimizing their time on the road. Pros: auto switches between apps, filters out low-paying trips, accepts only your ideal rides, keeps your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, works with major apps like Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Spark, and more. Cons: only available for Android users, monthly subscription required, requires some app permissions to work properly. Availability of features may depend on your region and app version. Final thoughts: if you're a full-time rideshare or delivery driver using Android, Maestro is an awesome tool to boost efficiency and earnings. Safer driving, more control and fewer distractions. It's definitely worth checking out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.